Hey guys, welcome back to another Cream Form video. In today's video, man, do I have some crazy good news for you guys. So check this out. This is by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys. Very good website. So like I said, I find this information helpful, and I know some of this stuff, but like I said, they really do a way better job than I could breaking it down for you guys. And I like to give you my commentary and my thoughts on this. So let's check it out, guys. Look at the title. Dish makes AT&T partner for Dish MVNO customers. So what? So let's read it and I'll give you my personal thoughts and opinions on this. So it says earlier today, Dish, which you can check by the link. Like I said, I could tell you about that, but like I said, they do a really good job explaining everything here. So it says earlier today, Dish issued a press release announcing that it signed a long-term strategic network service agreement with AT&T in a deal said to be valued at about $5 billion, guys. Geez, that's a lot of money. So yeah, like let's say Dish Network's pretty big company, so they got deep pockets, of course. The agreement allows AT&T to become a primary network service provider or partner for Dish MVNO customers. Dish says that the agreement will provide current and future customers of its retail wireless brand, including Boost Mobile, TMobile, and Republic Wireless access to connectivity on AT&T's network, as well as its own 5G network when it's operational. So you will have access to, of course, Dish Network's 5G network when it's available. It will also grant AT&T access to use a portion of Dish spectrum in select markets to help support Dish customers on AT&T network. Wow, so check that out. It will also grant AT&T access to use a portion of Dish's spectrum in select markets to help support Dish's customers on AT&T's network. So that's pretty cool. It's going to be basically beneficial for AT&T customers and as well for other MVNOs like Boost Mobile and so on. It says Dish is still several years away from having a nationwide network of its own. Remember, guys, Dish Network bought Boost Mobile out, and it currently is using AT&T's tower. Remember, Boost Mobile used to be on Sprint's network, then Sprint got bought out by T-Mobile, and now Boost Mobile customers are using T-Mobile's network right now. So that's what it is. Dish is supposed to make its own network, but of course it really takes a long time to make your own network. So this is kind of good buffer for Dish to do and use. Says the company hopes to have its own network up and running with capacity to cover over 70% of the population by the year 2023, which is a crazy 2 years basically away from now. Dish will offer the first cloud native open RAN based 5G network in the USA. The agreement between Dish and AT&T will also allow AT&T to provide roaming services for Dish's 5G network customers. Wow, pretty cool. Here's some of the stuff that you can kind of see. It says teaming with AT&T. This is quote from basically Dish. It says teaming with AT&T and this long-term partnership will allow us to better compete in the retail and wireless market and quickly respond to changes in our customers' evolving connectivity needs as we build our own first of its kind 5G network. Like I said, they're basically making a 5G network from scratch, which is pretty cool. Like I said, this agreement is going to definitely help Boost Mobile, Ting, Republic customers, giving them access to the best connectivity on the market today. Remember, this is good for voice, messaging, data, and nationwide roaming on AT&T's vast network. Guys, this is really big because if you know, Verizon's of course top dog here in the United States. Then from there it's AT&T is the second largest, and then it's T-Mobile, and then it was Sprint, but now I think it's US Cellular, which they're more in regional. Says Dish previously signed a contract with this is funny. So like I said, I was telling you, Dish previously signed a contract with T-Mobile to offer certain services to its customers. In July of 2019, Dish announced that it has also signed an agreement with T-Mobile granting Dish access to the T-Mobile network for a prior of 7 years. The terms also allow for Dish customers to roam on T-Mobile's network once Dish's 5G network is up and running. The agreements were part of requirements mandated by the DOJ and the FCC, basically for allowing T-Mobile to acquire the Sprint network. So here's another thing. It says the new agreement between AT&T and Dish is likely influenced by a spat between Dish and T-Mobile. So they're probably not in good terms. Dish's co-founder and chairman of the board, Charlie Ergen, has publicly voiced his displeasure with T-Mobile over the last several months. In April, he called T-Mobile the Grinch over T-Mobile's decision to shut down its legacy CDMA network at the beginning of 2022. Dish also sent a letter to the FCC urging it to take a closer look at the shutdown, saying at this time that the majority of its 9 million Boost Mobile subscribers still get service through a CDMA network formerly operated by Sprint. That is true because remember, Boost Mobile customers are using T-Mobile's network, and they're saying that 9 million customers still on Boost Mobile are using a CDMA network they have not migrated. If you remember, if you watch my videos, Boost has done a lot to get their current customers to switch over to a non-CDMA network, and because the old just CDMA network is gonna go away basically. Especially now with T-Mobile doing this, it's Dish is not happy about that basically. It says he claims Dish expected to have at least until 2023 to move customers over to the newer networks such as its own 5G network. Honestly, between me and you, I think this is a good move. T-Mobile, for me, is if Boost Mobile wants to be a real competitor in Dish network, should I say, but Boost to be a real good competitor in the prepaid sector, what was lacking on it was really service, dude. Remember, service is everything in the cell phone industry. With it being with AT&T, that's gotta be crazy. Yeah, there's Cricket, which is Cricket's actually run under AT&T, so it's gonna be kind of funny there because now Boost Mobile is gonna use AT&T's network, so there's gonna be maybe more competition or less competition. That's for a second or a different video. It says people heavily invested in the industry, such as Peter Adderton, which was Boost Mobile's founder. He's the godfather. Long believed that Dish's spat with T-Mobile would lead to a new agreement being formed between Dish and another network. In early July, he stated in a tweet, the damage done between T-Mobile and Dish evolved to be beyond repair, and now it's certain to fruition. So this guy basically is OG, man. He knew that this agreement between them was not gonna last. So he says, so far it looks like a continuation of the feud that's been going on between T-Mobile and Dish for some time. There's no way Boost Mobile does not do a deal with another and MNO for wholesale access to their relationship is beyond repair, and I think it would be great for Boost customers. Like I said, same thing. This guy's saying the same thing I'm telling you guys. I think this is a good move. Forget T-Mobile. I know they're good in cities, but AT&T is such a bigger network. So with Boost Mobile, coming out more in the market, if you're on Boost Mobile, you're using AT&T's network, you're probably paying half the price or a portion of it that you would on AT&T's network. I honestly think this is a really good move. I thought, honestly, between me and you guys, I thought Boost Mobile was kind of going to go away or be discontinued or just slowly dying away because of the decisions, because of the plans. But with this, maybe they'll bring back unlimited data. Right now, currently, Boost Mobile's doing only 35 gigs before you get, throttled and this and that. Maybe they'll bring back discount plans on family plans like they currently have, like on Cricket. So this is pretty good. I mean, two big juggernauts, Cricket and Boost Mobile or Dish Network, going up against, Metro by T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile. I think they could do a lot of damage, and this is good for Boost Mobile overall. This is the kind of thing that we want: more promotions, better phones. This is the kind of things that I've been waiting for. So it's really good news. I wanted to share this with you as soon as possible. Sorry I've been delayed with uploads, guys. I've been very busy with work and life, and I got some products coming in pretty soon for reviewing and unboxing finally. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We're signing off. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Thank you.